Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the class of science. As we have discussed about the reactions of metals and non-metals with different substances, so now in this video we are going to discuss about the reactions with acids and bases. As you know in the previous class that acids are sour in taste, so let's see what happened when a metal reacts with acid. Look, here in this yellow box we have written one example, like when metals reacts with acid, they form salt and hydrogen gas is liberated out. In this diagram you are seeing that when we dip a strip of magnesium in a dilute acid, some bubbles are rising up. So these bubbles are of hydrogen gas. So let's look at the reactions of different metals with hydrochloric acid. Here we have taken 5 types of metals: sodium, magnesium, aluminium, iron and copper. When we put hydrochloric acid, which is HCl, in these test tubes, then we will find that sodium, magnesium, aluminium, iron react with hydrochloric acid but copper do not. So how do we come to know that these 4 metals reacts with hydrochloric acid? Because when we bring a burning matchstick close to each test tube, then we hear a pop sound, and we know that this pop sound is because of hydrogen gas. Pop sound indicates the release of hydrogen gas. Like here we have written some examples. When sodium reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated out. Similarly with magnesium, aluminium and iron, when the 3 react with hydrochloric acid, they form magnesium chloride, aluminium chloride, iron chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated out in each case. But when we are talking about copper, what does that happen when hydrochloric acid is added in the test tube of copper? Copper has very less reactivity. It is an unreactive metal. So hydrochloric acid do not react with copper even when we heat that test tube. Same is the case with metals like gold and silver. They are also very unreactive metals and they do not react with acids. On the other hand, non-metals do not react with acids. Now let's discuss about the reactions of metals and non-metals with bases like sodium hydroxide. As we have known that the bases are bitter in taste, they are soapy to touch. So when we add sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH, in aluminium and zinc, then it also produces hydrogen gas and also a salt is produced. For example, here we have written one example for you that when aluminium is reacted with sodium hydroxide, then sodium aluminate is formed and hydrogen gas is liberated out. Same is the case with zinc. We can take different bases like potassium hydroxide, which is KOH, and when this potassium hydroxide reacts with metals, it forms potassium aluminate or potassium zincate plus hydrogen gas is liberated out. But non-metals do not react with bases. This is all for the reactions of metals and non-metals with bases. Thank you so much.